You know, as a parent, we always been put in situations where we cannot do things the way we want to. We always stress about the fact that we have to go to work. You don't earn enough to make you or give you the life that you deserve. You can't buy food, so you have to buy food, or you have to pay rent. You are unable to maybe give your children what their hearts desire. You can't live the life that you want to live because you don't earn what you're supposed to earn. So if you want to change that situation and be a present parent, earn what you deserve, and just work from the comfort of your home only 2 hours a day. Work smarter and not harder, and earn more to work less. Be present and always there when your loved one deserves to have you there. You can work with own your own online business. Learn the skill on how to earn daily pay passive income. Learn the skill on how to master a 2 hour workday that brings you 100% profit each and every time. If you want to live this kind of lifestyle, to plan yearly vacations, to just achieve your goals and your dreams, you can drop me a ready in the comment section and I will send you all the necessary information.